represented Avinash and Anushwaya Fresh, we found out that we met the perfect match in India. We could not have found a better partner to work for the future of Indian and Norwegian collaboration in order to sell premium Norwegian ice creams. Like we say, no one has ever worked so hard to make something taste so little. And we know, no ice, no party. So we look so much forward to this. And Frederick, our consul of Norway, is joining us today. And very happy for that. Thank you, Frederick.
Parul ji.
सर याद है सर
यहाँ पे सर यहाँ पे थैंक यू ये क्या पता है कहाँ
He's the main guy in the Karmani ice cream, the Karmani Queen Karmani. Pratik Jain. Has the highest content of antioxidants, 3 times more than what we have in green tea. Okay, so it is the healthiest food that we can have, the healthiest food that we can have. Omega 3, omega 6, omega 9, all 3 fatty acids are supposed to be in very high content. I think about 30% plus in blueberries. So I'm glad Anushwaya Fresh is bringing one of the healthiest food available on the planet, and I'm given to understand they're collaborating with Mr. Iceman. Right? So looking forward to this collaboration, this healthy collaboration, this amazing collaboration.
So for anything else, we have our own personal Google. So any question, just shoot it to him. Even the very guy should shoot it to him. He's Pankaj Beri and Suresh Beri. You're the very guy. That's where you go. You need to know anything about Beri. He's the guy. He's our person. Anything that is definite.
The most amazing markets in India, and as a Norwegian ice supplier of premium ice, that's exactly what we want to do. Hello? Hello? Yes. That's exactly what we want to do when we export premium ice to India. We want to reach those unique customers of premium hotels and premium retail.
So my name Bilal from Sanlúcar Fruit, Spain. So we are like a company doing premium fruit and vegetable. So we started the business with Anushwaya for almost 1 year, and we need to grow in this potential market in here in India. We believe in this market, and we believe we are with the right partner. As we always say, you cannot clap with one hand. You need 2 hands to clap. So yes, we have Anushwaya, and we believe we're gonna grow more and more in India. Thank you guys. You are part of our success, I believe, and we will have a lot of things to do in Indian market. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everyone. Thank you for coming. I think this is the second this kind of event we are doing with Anusaya after 6 years almost. Blueberry was very tough. In 2019 we started, 2009 we started, and actually the first shipment was bought by Anusaya Dinesh in 2013. And since then Blueberry never stopped, and we are growing the market, and this is why our USA Blueberry celebration. And you know all about blueberry, nutritious, colorful, and in all aspect tasty. So I just encourage have more and more blueberry in your life and make your life more healthy. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. My name is Dinesh Shinde. I am a CEO of Anusaya Group of Companies. I was in US and I saw there is a big potential in India especially for the fresh fruits. India is growing very hugely every day, getting big jump here, and especially e-commerce platforms and the supermarket is growing so fast. And I saw there is a big opportunity which we have because.
साउंड इतना साउंड आ रहा है मैडम साउंड
थैंक यू मैम हियर प्लीज थैंक यू
known. All right. Can I please have Vishal Nawaluri gorgeous Shweta? Thank you. All right. Can I please have Krutika Patil, sales coordinator, on the stage, please? She is the best in coordination and apparently she is very popular amongst the hotels and retail clients. She must be good at that. Krutika Patil. All right. Pallavi Salvi, import documentation executive. Pallavi Salvi. She is the one who handles all your fundings and is very popular with the channels and the partners. Pallavi Salvi. Can I take the awards? Is there okay, can I take the awards and I can I please have on the stage Prathamesh Ajit Rao, DC Head Bangalore, Best Branch Manager Bangalore. He has been such a strong pillar for the southern region. Can I please have Prathamesh Ajit Rao? A huge round of applause for him, everyone. Now, could I please have Shailendra Mani, manager, the Delhi market? He's a man with a few words, but he has an unstoppable sales record. Let's make some noise for him, everyone. Don't be sorry that you're not winning an award. Although he comes late, but he also leaves late in office. A huge round of applause for him, everyone. Now, can I please have Lakshmi Giri?
Hello, yeah. Well, the beauty of Norwegian water is that the Norwegian water has a very soft quality. And that's the preferred quality on water. You don't want hard water, you want soft water. And the beauty of soft water is that it's just nicer, it tastes nicer. So when we freeze the Norwegian water, we get one of the purest ice cubes in the world. And that's what nature gave us because we're in Norway, northern part of Europe. And apart from having very good quality water, we have hydropower, which is green energy. So it's produced environmentally friendly, it's sustainable. In addition, we always focus on playing our customers good. That means if you want to serve a premium cocktail, you need the right type of ice. Because you want the ice not to dilute what you're drinking or even interfere with the flavor if you're having a premium 25-year-old whiskey.
So let's welcome on the stage Gulab Seth. A huge round of applause for him, everyone.
Yes.
All right, let's move on to the next one, which is Prakash Seth. Prakash Seth, okay.
ये भी एक नमूना है देखते नमूना
Welcome. A huge round of applause for him, everyone. And now I'd like to call on the stage Shan Seth for your constant support, which has led us here. A huge round of applause for them, everyone. Come on, I can see everyone eating. Where are all the claps and applauses? Make some noise.
Whiskey, 25-year-old, you want that whiskey to taste the whiskey when it was made and how it is. You don't want the ice to interfere with the flavor. As ice melts, that identity of the water and the ice will interfere with the flavor. It makes perfect sense, yes? So when we have no flavor on our ice, there's no taste. In other words, it just chills. We're just about cooling. Like I said, nobody worked so hard to make something taste so little. So that's basically one of the key points, you know.
That was a great story, first of all. Anything else you would like to speak about? Okay. Should we take questions from the audience?
One is from my side. So again, San Luca, it's like a fruit and vegetable company. We started with the blueberry. We are planning also with Anusaya, our partner, to do more fruits like stony fruit, which is peach, nectarine, and flat peaches, and citrus and the grapes as well. So again, we will promise you to find, to put San Luca brand product in each and single home with your support and your team support. Thank you.
Thank you so much, gentlemen. Thank you for joining me and sharing all of the knowledge that you have with us. So yeah, you can enjoy the rest of the evening from your seats. Thank you.
That is also important because something if we are introducing to the market, we have to keep on flow, you know, every 12 months. We cannot on and off, you know, so that's part Mr. Bilal have done, and last 6 months we worked together, day and night, countless hours, and successfully we non-stop, and in future as well. So successfully we achieved many milestones. You know, we never thought we're gonna make that achievement, and we completed that achievement within 3 months, you know, because of all support from everyone. Once again, thank you very much, everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, gentlemen.
And finally, everyone knows no ice, no party. And at Mr. Iceman in Norway, we like to say no one worked so hard to make something taste so little. That's the purity of Norwegian ice. Thank you.
Awesome. Actually, I will not let you guys go that quickly. I would like to know what are the other future plans coming up with India or with blueberries? Any future plans?
Oh, absolutely. We would like to see a Mr. Iceman bag at every home with 1.4 billion Indians. Because life is twice as nice with ice.
Are we getting some freebies today?
From San Luca side, we promise you that our blueberry will be in each and single home in here in India with your support and our partner support.
USA blueberry started in India.
Everyone. Thank you. Now I would like to call upon the stage Mr. Sunil Singh. This is our gratitude for the best modernized physical stores in the fresh category, Fresh Pick by Reliance. Excellent, excellent, great job.
Thank you.
Wonderful. A huge round of applause for him as well. Now, let's move. Make some noise for them, everyone. Alright. Congratulations, gentlemen. Thank you.
Really amazing because I give to my friend and I asked my friend, you know, what is the difference between the domestically available normal water ice and Norwegian, you know, ice. So we can work together. And I saw after 10 minutes, Norwegian ice was there, other ice was there. And completely different.
partner Anusaya for our blueberry. So we do have a premium blueberry, and it's under our brand, San Luca brand, which is well known in Europe, mainly in Germany and Austria, as a premium fruit and vegetable brand. So we have a different blueberry, the standard blueberry. So the size, how crunchy the fruit, and the bricks level. And our aim, to distribute San Luca blueberry across all India, with Anusaya. Yes, we have this great opportunity thanks to Anusaya, with 1.4 billion population. So we are really grateful and thankful to have this opportunity. And for sure, thanks to you, Mr. Dinesh, for giving us this opportunity. And what we experience in such a short period, that Indian market, such a potential market, and they value the quality. You guys are looking for a nice food, good taste. So yes, I believe we are in the right direction together with Anusaya, and I believe we will take it to next level soon. Even we don't have only blueberry, I would say also we have different kind of fruits like peaches, nectarine, and they are premium. They are different and special variety. So in San Luca we are a cherry pickers when it's coming to variety. We always try to get like a new variety which is have the best taste ever, I would say. Yeah. So we believe in market, we need to be in the market, in Indian market, and yes, that's I would say the main point we can share with you guys.
This all happened just because of not Anusaya Fresh. That was a partnership between both companies, San Luca and Anusaya. We both team work as a team, one team, and we aim like long time back. To develop this project, especially for Indian market. So there's a huge opportunity we have, and we just got little bit, but we have to go so far. And I hope these partners will last forever.
Yes.
And especially I want to thank very bad one because we have some watch state that was very important.
Hey, roll. Roll.
Thank you so much for having me on this event. And since I know the brand very well because we've associated, our movies associated with blueberries. So I'm pretty excited. I'm so happy to associate the brand. And thank you so much for having me here. And it's a great support, to have this brand because I'm health conscious. I personally prefer कि आप जो भी खाते हो ना वो आपके शरीर पे जाता है, right? And blueberry is one of the most important antioxidant in your body which works out like magic. And I'm so happy to support this brand. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Here in India, whatever we import in India, that goes to the laboratory first, to taste. And then after we get report fit for human consumption, then we distribute to the market. So, but before that we do lots of work. Like we working with the farmers. They only suggest what to use or not, what fertilizer should go, what chemical, what to spray. So they take care because the farm mostly in the South America and Europe, and Europe is very, very conscious about, very serious about the health. And our most of chunk of farm is owned by San Luca, so we have a big control on all those operations. And after import, we have we taking care, managing properly supply chain, cold chain and all
So that is very important, which we have done. It's completely healthy for everyone.
So as you mentioned, we control all the process from farm to fork. So yes.
Any more questions, anyone?
Such a pleasure to be here, and it's a great collaboration between Foodberries India and also with Iceland, with the purest form of ice from Norway. I think it's one of it's a hit and hit, and especially for a body like this, so many people, different walks of life. I think this is perfect. We had a great time, and team of Karmanya is here, and we have our director Team Verma over here, our writers